V. Romus. Romus? V. Romus. This one is called Fortified. Devora's future shatters. Instead of attending Blacklear Academy, she is sent to the fortress, a prison holding murderers and thieves that make up the soldiers in His Majesty's army. She fears it is the end of her. Suppressing her forbidden seeing abilities, Devora is thrust into a role of soldier and must learn to defend herself while avoiding Warden Hazor and his ruthless right-hand man, Captain Blake. When Devora's seeing abilities are exposed, she's thrown into a tournament to win her right to live. She must turn to Captain Blake for help, or be slaughtered like all the other seers before her. Ooh, that sounds like fun.